Hello, so today I want to repair this big monitor, 2.7 inch. I solder with some effort and it has outside power supply. It needs 19 volts and 2.1 amp. So I set it on I don't have. I put here 19 volts and this is the only stuff he do. Only 10 or 20 milliamp or in some cases 30 milliamp it's drawn and it's staying like this. Of course power LED is off and of course if I press it will do nothing. So pay attention, this model it's fabricated on July 2012. So it has 12 years. 12. It's working like 11 years and now it's broken. And because it's really big screen and is not broken screen, I want to try to repair. So let's open and see. So this is the screw from the leg, from the support, and now we have here one screw. We have on the HDMI another two screw. And also we take out the, I don't know if needed, but I'm gonna take out also the screws from the DVI and from VGA port. So you just lift the frame from inside. Ta-da! It's pretty clean inside. So this is the inside. We see some hot area here and here, but let's open. So this is the inside. So first zone with hot area, there are these two MOSFETs, and this is an chip, up or down chip, because you see here coil, and this is power for LEDs, but this is okay. So after I disassembly, I put only the display and the buttons, not LEDs. But if with LEDs or without LEDs it's the same. And I hear clicking noise. So you see the LED? So I think something is in short circuit, and this chip, the first regulator, voltage regulator, is trying to power up the main board, but it enter in protection and so on. You see? So, victory! So I have 1.4 amp current. So you see the LED. So after some fiddling around there, the problem was, you see, so our button, they push very hard on power button, and then they take out this upper metal part. You see, this button don't have this part. My power source begin to make noise, so I take a picture for you with macro. Now you see, button don't have this part. This is ground, in this from middle is ground, and this lower part is our power button. So when I make contact with the screwdriver from here to here, our monitor start to working. So it's only a button problem. Okay, so finally I solder with some effort. I also use my thermal camera because I really think was something in score circuit, but was not. And so also it's pulsing, but so still have a problem. It's the same on the source. So after kind of 1 minute of squeaking, I think it's not enough voltage around somewhere. Maybe this cap it's looking kind of not okay, and also near him is that chip that is getting really hot. So I think I was right. So this cap from near the chip and coil very low on Acer. So this is 220 microfarad at 1.6 volts, and according to the accelerometer specs, it has to have maximum kind of 2 milliohm, and it has 4.95, so way more. And the little one, which is also near this MOSFET, you see, so also in the hot area, this one is 22 microfarad at 3.5 volts. So this one needs to have kind of 10 milliohms, and it has 18, so double. So I think now it's okay. Let's try. So never when I plug in was not working from the first start. Okay, so there, and now plug in. Perfect. You see, so now it's on by itself, 1.5 amps, and we have light. So yeah, good. Power off, power on, and LED on. Perfect. Again, power off, power on, perfect. So only what I have to do now is to put back all together. I also resoldered these two MOSFETs. So, final testing. I plug all together. Power. Ne-am mai put on separate source supply. Actually, it's a notebook charger. And power. We have yellow light. Power here and power PC. And it's very responsive. It's looking perfect. And we have picture. This is an VGA signal. Yeah, really okay. Wow, 7-inch. That's a lot of screen. Let's see. I think it's full HD already. Yes. Of course, 60 Hz, but it's on full HD. Great. And menu, I don't know. Yeah, we have menu. Okay, so job done. It's perfect. So I think because those two cups were in hottest area of PCB, they go away with SRA and capacity, and user pressed very hard on the power button and broke also that push switch. So it's begin a new life after almost 12 years of use. So that's real ecology. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.